and it's coming up on your screen.
Mama!
Is there something you'd like to tell us, dear? Did you run away from home?
No,
Well, there's only one thing to do. I'll call from the kitchen. Good idea.
No, the old woman!
She wouldn't knock on her own door. Come in! Quack. Quack.
What are you doing here?
My goose egg. Is that any way to treat your long-lost feathered father?
Your father? My goodness, ugliness does run in the family.
He's not my father! Don't listen to him!
Son, he has overcome. Come, your daddy. Your mother and I have been worried sick.
Does he look like he's up to you? Please don't let him near me!
There, dear. Folk who live in glass houses should call the kettle black.
He's a cat!
Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he's caused you any inconvenience, and I'm most grateful you've kept him all in one piece. Now, come along, duckies. Thank the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's a cat! I